How to verify ID on Adsense. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on YouTube Adsense. Now, to start getting paid through Adsense from YouTube, you'll need to meet certain eligibility criteria and go through a verification process. Now, here are the general steps and requirements for Adsense verification process for YouTube monetization. First is the eligibility criteria. Your YouTube channel must meet YouTube's partner program eligibility requirements. This usually involves having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Now in my case, as you can see, I have the eligibility, but if I just switch into my other account real quick, I'll just show you here. You can see my eligibility has not been met. So on YouTube Studio, if you had to earn here, you can see I just have 234 subscribers out of 500 currently, and I have 2 video uploads in last 90 days. But down below you can see 4 public watch hours here, that is 3,000 watch not completed and 3 million either on search not completed. Now, your content must adhere to YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. Now first you have to enable the monetization. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply for the YouTube's partner program through your YouTube Studio. So as I said, you want to open up YouTube Studio. You can get it from your Play Store or App Store, and then you want to log into your account here, and on this earn page here you should be able to see if your criteria is met. If your criteria is met, you'll be able to tap on apply now and apply it. So in my case, it's not currently available. If your application is accepted, you can enable monetization for your eligible videos. After that, you want to create an AdSense account. You can simply download the Google AdSense from Play Store, and then you want to open up Google Ads here, and then you want to sign into account or create an account. If you don't have an AdSense account, you'll need to create one. You'll need a Google account for this, and then link your AdSense account to YouTube. So in your YouTube Studio, again, once you have the AdSense account, the Google AdSense account, you want to head back to the YouTube Studio application and then tap on earn there, and then on the monetization here, you want to link your YouTube channel to your AdSense account. Then you may be asked to provide additional information such as your website URL and payment address. Then the verification process. AdSense may require you to go through a verification process to ensure your identity and compliance with their policies. You might need to provide information like your name, address, tax information, and bank account and details. AdSense may also require you to verify your identity by providing a copy of your government issued ID and then the tax information, payment threshold and methods, and you are done. So this way you can verify your ID on AdSense or the YouTube AdSense. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.